Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Discover a cutting powerhouse that measures 35 centimeters by 45 centimeters by 25 centimeters and is built to tackle demanding projects with ease. At its core, a robust 1100-watt motor designed for heavy-duty applications teams up with an integrated cut-line blade positioning system, offering an adjustment-free line for clear, accurate cuts every time. A formidable 15-amp, 3,800 RPM motor further enhances performance by delivering sustained power and durability, while an efficient dust collection system captures over 75% of the debris, keeping your workspace remarkably clean. Adding to its versatility, tall sliding fences support crown molding up to 7.5 inches and base molding up to 6.75 inches, yet easily slide aside for bevel cuts. The innovative fence design lets you cut up to 2x14 dimensional lumber at 90 degrees and 2x10 at 45 degrees. An oversized bevel scale makes angle adjustments effortless and accurate, making this tool a standout choice for any woodworking enthusiast. Looking for a tool that blends power with precision? The AOBEN electric ratchet wrench might just be what you need. With a robust 12-volt max motor that delivers an impressive 40 feet-pounds of torque, this tool effortlessly removes and installs bolts in various applications. Designed for efficiency, the wrench reaches a remarkable 280 RPM thanks to a variable speed trigger, allowing for smooth, controlled fastening. An integrated LED light illuminates your work area in low light conditions, while side-mounted indicators keep you informed about battery levels at a glance. A thoughtfully placed reverse switch helps prevent accidental activations, and an air-cooled motor with excellent heat-sinking capabilities ensures stable operating temperatures even during prolonged use. With the AOBEN electric ratchet wrench, precision and power go hand in hand for every job. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Are you ready to elevate your DIY game? Meet our high-performance rotary tool, a true powerhouse equipped with a robust 180-watt motor that spins from 8,000 to 32,000 RPM across 6 finely tuned settings. Every gear shift is engineered for smooth, reliable performance, whether you're slicing through metal or delicately polishing jewelry. For even finer control, the versatile flexible shaft minimizes runout and delivers a consistent output, making intricate work and corner detailing effortless. Designed with compatibility in mind, this tool accepts all collet sizes. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfort, while low-noise operation and innovative safety blockers guard against accidental overspeed contact. Added ventilation slots help manage heat, prolonging its lifespan. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts or as a thoughtful gift, this package includes 139 accessories, a storage box, and a 16-page manual. Trust Phalanx to deliver the quality and inspiration you need for every project. If you're into DIY projects or need a reliable tool for pet grooming, this versatile rotary tool is worth a look. Powered by a built-in 8-volt 2.0-hour battery, it delivers a steady and robust performance for everything from intricate crafting to precise dog nail trimming. With adjustable speeds ranging from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM, you can fine-tune the power for any task. Its cordless design means you're no longer tethered to an outlet, while the charging light lets you know when it's fully charged, usually within 3 to 4 hours. The spindle lock makes changing bits a snap, and the 4 LED lights around the working area brighten up even dim spaces. Plus, its low-noise operation is ideal for keeping pets calm during grooming. An anti-slip, rubberized handle ensures a comfortable grip, and its lightweight, compact design minimizes fatigue during detailed work. Tired of lugging around clunky tools for every repair? Discover our innovative Snap Setter tool, designed to simplify your work and save you from carrying extra hole punches. This versatile device features an integrated punching die that lets you handle both major and minor repairs on heavy fabrics, whether it's boat covers, sails, canvas tents, tarps, bimini tops, or tonneau covers, using just one convenient hand tool. Unlike the bulky desktop models of the past, our portable snap tool allows you to install snap buttons without removing the item, streamlining your project on the go. The kit comes complete with 20 snap studs, 20 headed screws, and 20 snap caps, ensuring you have everything you need for a secure fit. Crafted from phosphated galvanized steel, its body is exceptionally wear and stain resistant, while the heat-treated dies on the pliers boost durability. The adjustable pliers, featuring a vice grip system, provide superior leverage, making it effortless to crimp components together for a lasting, professional finish. Elevate your precision toolkit with the Kynup digital caliper, a must-have for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. With a measurement range of 0 to 6 inches, an accuracy of 0.001 inches, and a fine resolution of 0.005 inches, every reading is exceptionally precise. Switch easily among inches, millimeters, and fractions with just the push of a button. Simply power it on, slide the caliper to the desired point, and view your measurement on a clear digital display, then reset to 0 with a quick press for the next task. The package includes 2 sets of jaws and a probe, so you can measure depth, steps, and both internal and external diameters with ease. Plus, with 3 batteries and an auto shutdown feature, after 6 minutes of inactivity, battery life is optimized. Its splash-proof, anti-rust design, with a lockable head and robust metal housing, ensures lasting reliability in any environment. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Revitalize your woodworking projects with our powerful 2.0 amp corded electric random orbit sander, a tool designed to deliver precision and ease for every task. Clocking in at an impressive 12,000 orbits per minute, it swiftly sands material to a flawless, swirl-free finish. Its lightweight, compact design makes it ideal for maneuvering into tight spaces, while the integrated dust collection bag ensures your workspace remains clean and clutter-free. The ergonomic comfort grip handle minimizes fatigue during extended sessions, allowing you to work longer with less strain. Plus, its innovative hook and loop system makes sanding sheet changes quick and hassle-free, and the dust-sealed switch keeps internal components protected from debris. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a dedicated DIYer, this versatile sander promises to deliver consistent, high-quality results on every project. Elevate your DIY projects with a power tool that truly delivers on versatility. This innovative 5-in-1 driver packs remarkable functionality into a compact, high-quality design, perfect for tackling a variety of tasks. Its secure, keyless chuck attachment locks firmly, making it a breeze to drill through even the toughest materials, while the locking bit holder keeps hex bits safely in place during high-torque operations. When working in confined spaces, the right angle attachment comes into play seamlessly, and the offset angle accessory provides precise screw driving close to edges with 16 adjustable positions for ultimate accuracy. An integrated LED light brightens dark work areas, and thanks to its afterglow function, the light stays on for 10 seconds after you switch off the tool. Backed by Bosch's robust 3-year limited warranty on 12-volt max cordless power tools, chargers, and batteries, this tool is built to deliver lasting performance and peace of mind for every project. Step up your networking game with our all-in-one RJ45 crimping toolkit from YWNGWay, the perfect solution for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This comprehensive package equips you with everything you need to cut, strip, and crimp Ethernet and telephone cables with precision. Engineered from heavy-duty steel with a sleek black oxide finish, our crimping tool is built to deliver exceptional torque without bending, and its rust-resistant properties ensure lasting performance even in challenging environments. Compatible with RJ45 Cat6, RJ45 Cat5e, and RJ1112 connectors, it simplifies working with twisted pair cables as well as voice and data lines. Should you have any questions or need assistance, our responsive support team is just a call or message away, ready to help within 24 hours. At AOBEN, we're committed to providing top-tier quality and service so you can achieve flawless cabling every time. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Looking for a tool that helps you work smarter and faster? This state-of-the-art cutter is designed to let you finish more in less time. It boasts a powerful 3,000 strokes per minute drivetrain with a 1-inch stroke length that slices through projects with ease. Its sleek, 14.5-inch design means you can tackle tasks in even the tightest spaces, keeping your workspace fully accessible. Changing blades is a breeze thanks to the tool-free release mechanism, while the variable speed trigger gives you the flexibility to adjust cutting speeds for any material. The pivoting shoe ensures steady, constant contact for smooth cuts, and the contoured, overmolded handle provides a comfortable, low-strain grip during extended use. Plus, with cordless convenience via the 20-volt max system, you're free to take on projects anywhere. Introducing the NEU Master 2-in-1 Pneumatic Nail and Staple Gun, a versatile powerhouse designed to bring efficiency and precision to your projects. This tool expertly drives 18-gauge brad nails and 1/4-inch crown staples with ease, thanks to its multiple tool-free settings. The complete kit features 1,000 fasteners, 400 pieces of 2-inch nails, 400 pieces of 1/4-inch nails, and 200 pieces of 1/4-inch narrow crown staples, plus a sturdy carrying case, safety glasses, a lubricating oil bottle, and 2 Allen wrenches. Its innovative design includes a 360-degree rotatable exhaust to keep debris away, a tool-free jam clearing mechanism, and a quick-release magazine holding up to 100 fasteners. A built-in view window prevents dry firing marks, while the rubber grip handle ensures comfortable use. Lightweight yet durable, this pneumatic brad gun operates at 70 to 120 psi and is perfect for woodworking, upholstery, flooring, molding, roofing, picture framing, and a variety of DIY projects.